Have you ever seen a flower that looks like a broken heart? Meet Lamprocapnos spectabilis, commonly known as the bleeding heart. This plant isn't just about the striking heart-shaped flowers. It grows up to 4 feet tall with unique 3-lobed leaves. The flowers themselves are a vibrant fuchsia pink on the outside, with a delicate white inner petal, creating that iconic bleeding droplet effect. Native to northeast China and the Korean peninsula, the bleeding heart has a fascinating history. Several cultivars exist, including all white, red, and a variety with golden leaves. Would you plant this flower in your garden? Have you ever seen an orchid that looks like a flock of white egrets taking flight? This is Habneria radiata, also known as the white egret flower. Its unique shape resembles the wings of a white egret. In Japan, it is called sajizo and is the official flower of Setagaya Ward in Tokyo. This isn't your grandma's rose. This flower smells like rotting flesh. Meet the Titan arum, also known as the corpse flower. To attract carrion beetles and flesh flies, it emits an odor that can be detected up to a half-mile away. The plant first grows a single leaf that feeds an underground tuber for up to 7 years. So next time you want to send flowers, maybe think twice before sending the flower that smells like death. Behold the Strelitzia regini, also known as the bird of paradise flower. But this isn't just another pretty bloom. It's a masterpiece of evolution with a royal connection and a clever trick up its sleeve. Strelitzia regini is an evergreen perennial plant native to South Africa. It gets its name from its striking resemblance to a tropical bird in flight. The plant was named in 1788. Regini means of the queen, and it was named in honor of a queen. But here's the clever part. When sunbirds land on the flower to drink the nectar, the third petal opens, covering their feet in pollen. As the bird visits other flowers, it spreads the pollen, ensuring the plant's survival. So, the next time you see a bird of paradise flower, remember it's more than just a pretty face. It's a royal bloom with a fascinating story. Imagine a flower that smells like chocolate but is not edible. Sounds like a botanical prank, right? This is Cosmos atrasanguineus, also known as the chocolate cosmos. For years, it was believed to be extinct in the wild, but it is actually quite abundant in Mexico, growing in pine and oak forests. The lotus is more than just a pretty flower. It is also known as Nelumbo nucifera. Lotus seeds can survive for an incredibly long time, germinating even after 1,300 years. The lotus has been cultivated for its edible seeds for over 3,000 years. Did you know there is an orchid genus so diverse, it grows from the Himalayas to the Australian desert? Imagine an orchid that lives on trees, not soil. These are Dendrobium orchids, a massive group with over 1,800 species. A sunflower, Helianthus annus, is often grown for its edible, oily seeds. What looks like one flower is actually a flower head, made of many small individual flowers. Mature sunflowers do not follow the sun. Only young sunflowers exhibit sun tracking. Prepare to be amazed by the beauty of cherry blossoms, also known as sakura. But what if I told you these iconic trees have a secret origin story? Prunus cerulata, the Japanese cherry, isn't just one thing. It is native to a huge area across Japan, China, Korea, and even Vietnam. The rose, a symbol of love and beauty, but get ready to have your petals blown. Those aren't thorns, technically, they are prickles. Prickles are outgrowths of the epidermis, like tiny hooks that help roses climb. After the rose blooms, it produces a hip, a berry-like fruit incredibly rich in vitamin C. So, the next time you see a rose, remember there's more to it than just a pretty face. Comment below if we missed anything. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.